Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Okay, guru kami akan bertanya tentang the methodology of the Europe. Okay, kenalkan nama awak.
Nama saya Nur Imanina binti Ahmad.
Nama saya Khairunisa binti Cik Yusof.
Nama saya Muhammad Arif Akmal bin Ali.
Dan nama saya Ahmad Basri bin Ruslan. Okay, teruskan dengan presentasi hari ini. Okay, this is Nicholas Abusa. From 1401 to 1464, he served as a cardinal skilled in theology, mathematics, and philosophy, science, and arts. And then he's the one who described the learned man as one who is aware of his own ignorance. And the first one to actually told me the previous history that we learned before, to disagree with the Ptolemy-Geocentric view after studying the planets extensively. Okay, so Nicholas Abusa mostly study about astronomy. Okay, next. This one is Nicolas Ors. So from 1323 to 1382, he's a French theologian, mathematician, and physicist. The one who famously called as principal founder of modern science. Introduced the graphical representation, and he used geometrical shape to find a comparison between qualities, and he used graph when discussing motions. He demonstrated velocity as the quality of the objects that can be pictured against time, which is distance over time that we use nowadays. Okay, next. Okay, the two contributions that are remarkable by Nicholas Ors, which is one is system of rectangular coordinate, and the second one is he's the one who first to prove that harmonic series is divergent and infinite. Okay. Okay, this one is rectangular coordinate. The Nicholas Ors, the one who used this one for the showing the latitude and the longitude. Okay, the rectangular coordinate system is also known as the Cartesian coordinate system after René Descartes, who popularized it, used in analytic geometry. The rectangular coordinate system is based on the grid, and every point on the plane can be identified by units x and y, just as any point on the earth can be identified by giving its latitude and longitude. So at the previous time, they used to call it latitude and longitude. Okay. Okay, the next one is Nicholas is proof that the harmonic series is infinite. Oh yeah, the harmonic series limit is 1 over n. Summation of n equal to 1 to the infinity. The function is 1 over n. So harmonic series is used by mostly in musical things. So the first one is we just substitute all the number, and we have to compare the first series and the second series for comparing its divergent or not, and it's infinite or not. Okay, the first series, we just have to substitute up to infinity, and the second series, the second series we have to use, we have to take the previous with the power of the greatest 2 to the power of n. Okay, so this one is 2 to the power of 1, this one is 2 to the power of 2, this one is 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. You can see? This one is 2 to the power of 1, and this one is 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, and 2 to the power of 4. So once we sum up all these things, so 1 over 2, so this one also sum up, become 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, up until infinity. So we can get this one is infinite. So since the second series is infinite, so the first series is infinite. Okay, so when the first series is greater than the second series, then it's